Make sure the cables are at 565 centre for the mats, and just double check that that's correct, otherwise you get creases in the mat. And we just strip the cables, just twist those slightly so they go into the crimps. It's always worth just double checking before you do this. The cables aren't pinched and you've got slack there to push it back up in. So then what we do is get these cables into the crimp. Your crimping tool of choice, just to make sure that's in and tight. Do both sides. That's that connected. We just put a slight bend on the crimp as well, just so it goes up easier into the ceiling, just reduces that downwards pressure. This gets pushed back up in to the ceiling, so make sure your cables are loose and have slack on them. Just wrap that around just to secure that. Take the weight off the crimps until we're ready for plastering.